Hello everyone, so now we are doing the troubleshooting lab 2 here. We have the scenario here. What scenario we have? We have one switch 1 here. This is a switch 1 and this is a switch 2. We have two machine. This is a PC 1 and this is a PC 2 are connected to the switch 1 and PC 2 is connected to switch 2. Your manager told this guy is unable to communicate with this guy. Go and check and try to fix this issue. Okay, so now you came here and you are checking same thing like before. You are checking the IP address is there or not, you are checking the Ethernet card is good or not, and the LAN card is good or not, Ethernet cable is good or not, it is connected to the switch perfectly or not. You are verifying that one, and you are checking here also this one is connected or not, this one is connected or not. You are verifying that all here. After that so let's verify that one first of all. So what we will do, we will take this PC. I will open this PC and this is a PC. So I will write here show IP. So we have the IP here. So we verify IP is okay, good. And now I will take the console of the PC2 also and we will verify we have the IP here. Yes, we have the IP also. I will write show IP. So same network IP. So they should communicate, but they are not working. So we need to look for the switch. I go here in the switch. This is a switch. I will write here enable, then I will write here show interface, show IP interface brief. I will write show IP interface brief. With this command we will check the interface status. So if you see all interface is up, nothing is given here as a down. And now if you want to check, what we can check here, we can check here show VLAN brief. Okay, before we are saying we don't have the VLAN, right? We don't have that port in that VLAN. So show VLAN brief we write here. Okay, so now if you see, we are in the switch 1. We are in the switch 1. So what we are doing here, we are writing here show VLAN brief. This command is used to check the status of the VLAN. So we are checking here, we have the VLAN 100. This is IT and we have this interface E0 by 1. So this interface in the VLAN 100. VLAN 100. Okay, here. So this is a VLAN 100 and this is a IT department PC. So this one we study here, and this is only one PC, one switch. And now we can check for the second switch also. I will go here, I will take this switch, and in this switch also we are going to verify. What we will do, we will check here. We will type here show interface, show IP interface brief, show IP interface brief. So all interface is okay, then we will write show VLAN brief. So when we type here also, we have the here what we have 100, same thing as we discussed here also 100, here also 100. These both are 100, this also 100. Interface, this is a E0 by 1, so this interface is also there here. So we can say this is also VLAN 100 and this is also IT department, means same VLAN means same department. So this is okay. And what else, before we don't have the port, but now we have the port. This port is in that VLAN, this port is in that VLAN. Now we can check we have trunk or not. How we will check, we will write show interface trunk. So when we write show interface trunk, this port is also trunk, this port is also trunk, so this port is also trunk. So everything is good. This port is trunk. If we make this port as a trunk, automatically this port is going to become as a trunk. But anyhow, we can verify that is also trunk or not. So what we will do, we will go inside the switch 1 and we can write here show interface trunk, and we see we have the trunk. This one also is status if you check. So this interface is also trunk, this one also trunk, and we assign this interface in where we assign to VLAN 100, and this interface also we assign in VLAN 100. So what is the issue? We have IP address here, we have IP address here, same network IP, and this Ethernet card is working, cable is good, everything is good, it is connected, we are checking everything is good. So anyone notice what is the issue here till now? Anyone notice what is the issue here till now?
I think switch 2 does not have VLAN 100 as trunk configured.
Let me check here. Switch 2 you are saying, right? So I will go to the switch 2, and if you see here VLAN 100, we are saying it is there, right?
It is,
It is there. It is allowing the all VLAN from 1 to 100. So all VLAN is allowed here. Anyone else, or you have any other thing why it is not working?
Which one?
Again what? Now what I am saying,
Can you pull up switch 1?
switch 1 pull up. Okay, 1 minute, let me take switch 1. Okay, this one is the switch 1.
The encapsulation, one is using the ISL and the other one is using a .1.
Yes, this is the correct one. Yes, we need to use both the sides same, else it will not work. Okay, we need to use, this is the issue here. Some engineer configure this as a encapsulation ISL, and another engineer he configure here 802.1q. Two guys are working. This guy configure here whatever he like. He say we need to configure as a trunk, I will use this protocol. This guy told now only this protocol is good, we will configure this. That's why we are saying we are going to use network automation. So we will have the configuration will be standardized. All side will be, we will use the same configuration, not one guy is doing something here, one guy is doing something. We will write the script, one script, or we will use the controller, we will push the configuration to all the device. So we will not have this types of issue. So what issue we have here? We have here misconfiguration. Here is ISL, here is 802.1q. So we need to make both sides should be same, then only it will work, else it will not work. So what we will do, we will go here, we will change ISL, because now no more is ISL is available, no one is using ISL. So first of all we will check that one, like this is a switch 1. So I will go to the interface E0 by 0 here, then I will write here switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, and then switch port mode trunk, and now we will verify, and generally we will write no. First we will remove that one whatever we have here, but this way also we can do. But if you want to remove anything, just we need to write the same step, and before that one we need to write no. So we can do this way, other way also. First we will write as a like switch port trunk encapsulation ISL, we will write no switch port trunk encapsulation ISL. With that one we will remove that command, and then we can configure this one. Anyhow I did not remove, I configure this one, so it will erase and it will have this command show interface trunk. So now if you see we have 802.1q here also 802.1q, both the side. Now we can check both are working or not. So we will take this one PC1, we will ping here 1.2 I think. Now it is working. So what issue we face here? We have issue with the trunking protocol. We use here ISL and we use here 802.1q. So if you are using ISL here, we need to use ISL here. If you are using 802.1q, we need to use both the sides same, else it will not work. So this is a lab 2 successfully we done. So now let me stop this